Dash compact air poulet. If you're looking for a space-saving air poulet model that is sensible and cute, this compact model is your best bet. With a 1.6 quart slippy poulet basket, temperature controls, and automatic turn-off feature, this air poulet is easy, compact, and trendy. Look at that retro mint inexperienced hue too.
Drop it.
Smeg Retro 2-slice toaster. Let's simply say we are on the style of smitten with Smeg. This utterly vintage-inspired toaster is an exception, particularly in an exceedingly sleek cream color. If you are a lot of into the pastels, it conjointly comes in choices like baby pink and mint inexperienced. KitchenAid 7-speed hand mixer. KitchenAid 7-speed hand mixer. Baking up a storm? Bang with some colorful flair. KitchenAid is known for its practicality and its funky colors. Thus, if you're not into this retro red version, choose between plenty of the alternative fun shades. Creating mashed potatoes are most a lot of fun. That's fast egg cookware. If you cook loads of eggs, we have a tendency to extremely suggest violence in one among days. You will be cranking out hard or soft-boiled eggs in no time, and with no additional dishes. Plus, the brilliant mint inexperienced color could be a playful tabletop addition. Nostalgia Retro Series 3-in-1 family-size breakfast station. You can create associate old school dinner breakfast bed one associate with this hybrid tabletop toaster oven or griddle or coffee maker. It comes in each blue and red, with the red one being slightly less costly. Imagine all the dishes you have saved in the morning.